Obi ba no atwa ne bo. Dan ba chomba and I'm saying I catch me fever and mammy 3 weeks. Then I cut 2 days. And that said the wife on one car scanning now no many be baraka 5,000. Which are 5,000? Which are 5,000? Abranche be baha baby abejene chop money obanam dia man. One time obaye with me say we DBB to say and nam fish aduane be and I can smell it and we DBB and all the ice cream all boss. And then it comes and then he's telling me say ngami bejime nwumre sika no where the anopa de where the wiati na the ice cream all boss. And now beji and nwumre de meanwhile will be some is come from morning minidi and the okita ice cream like a lollipop. I tell the day, one way we will take care of everybody and ignore ourselves. I'm telling you, you may take care of everybody when your boy form will be a one kasawa. I'm telling you. And as I close, if there is something after all your analysis you should never joke with, is your health. What you eat, when you eat it, how you eat it. Be very careful. Because dying minute, your diagnosis will be baby. There have been a track record of a lifestyle. I'm telling you. All the time you be teaching gap on back you be to track consume brunya ye be me in advance. I'm prepping you in advance. At the age be wa say what the lifestyle be wura wa unche. I can boldly tell you unche age be wa yemfa lifestyle be go. Yeah, why? Obie ni pedie ebe propro. Tie dem no kan. Unufi se de agina so ebe tiagu. Be me bia wo wa ha. Otadua. It will shrink. Ada na mema mo hwe manim sa. Did they sorry up? Get up. Mongo.